Let's talk about this book. Check this out. Life will give you back everything you have given to it. Okay, so here's my review about this book, Believe You Can, The Power of a Positive Attitude by John Mason, and it was published by Acts 29 Publishing Company. Kapag naumpisahan mo na siyang basahin, you will want more and more hanggang sa matapos mo na siya. Actually, kayang-kaya mong basahin to ng isang upuan lang. Dahil sobrang ganda ng mga quotable quotes na mababasa mo dito. And alam niyo ba, nung nabasa ko tong libro na to, hindi mo maiiwasang mag-guilty dahil tinatamaan ka. Dahil at some point of your life, you became a people pleaser. This book will remind you na hindi mo kailangan na i-please ang lahat ng tao. All you need to do is to focus on yourself. Wala kang ibang kakompetensya